We want to find a preset combination for the symptoms of our example patient with acute spasmodic cough with difficult expectoration and some pain on coughing. So we click on the button Disorder Process and open the drop-down menu with the disorder group list. Here, we select Respiratory Disorder. The main disorder drop-down appears, we open it, and select Bronchitis Cough. The main disorder subgroup drop-down appears, we also open this drop-down and select Spasmodic Cough. Now, the preset combination table appears. We see that the database offers us two presets, Thymus 3 and Grindelia 1. The names of the preset combinations are color-coded according to the temperature effect of the combination. We can display the color codes by clicking on the color code button, and we can see that Thymus 3 and Grindelia 1 are categorized as neutral in their temperature effect. Let's close the color codes again by clicking on the X icon. Also, the syndromes which can be treated by the preset combinations are listed. You can close and open these lists by clicking on the up respectively down arrow icon. Here also you can add a syndrome to the syndrome list by clicking on the Add button. Now, see the additional disorder and extra information on the table. Both combinations shown are for spasmodic cough with difficult expectoration, but Thymus 3 can be effective for painful cough, whereas Grindelia 1 is specific for dry, non-productive cough. So we decide for Thymus 3. But before we click the arrow icon to continue to the prescription table, let's take a look at the details of this preset prescription. We click on the name of the prescription and a pop-up window opens. At the top, the app gives you the option of making notes on the prescription in question. Enter a note and click on Save. The documentation field for your notes now appears on the right with the date on which the note was created. You can use the minus icon to delete a note. However, for data protection reasons, never enter personal patient data in the notes field. With the help of the note function, your personal wealth of knowledge and experience in research-based phytotherapy will develop over time. Now we come to the actual detailed information about Thymus 3. You should at least read the safety and dosage instructions so that you can observe the precautions in this preset combination. Our database also lists preset combinations for which there are contraindications. It is essential that you observe these contraindications. For our example, after analyzing Thymus 3 in detail, we assume that this formula is exactly right for our patient. We close the pop-up by clicking on the X icon and go to the prescription table by clicking on the right arrow icon for Thymus 3.